Isa siguro to sa pinakamabigat na phone na hawakan ko for this 2023. And it's a armored and rugged phone na may projector pa na built-in. And this is the Unihertz 8489 na Tank 2. Alamin natin in this video everything na gusto mo malaman before you even bother to buy this phone. Is it worth it? Yung kanyang bigat and probably halos unlimited na kanyang battery. I would tell you in a little bit. Bago natin pag-usapan, buksan muna natin. Hi guys, ako pala si na gadgetsidekick and welcome back to my channel, si Tank 2 ni 8489 Unihertz. So, medyo may kabigatan tong box na ito kasi talaga yung phone niya is medyo mabigat. Tigas. Meron siya welcoming note dito, user guide and warranty card. Ang kanyang phone mismo, which is wow, medyo may kalakihan nga talaga siya. Mabigat guys. Other stuff inside, meron kang C2C cable plus 66 watts na fast charging brick. Now, so much for the unboxing part. So, gusto natin makita kung ano nga ba meron dito phone nito. Ba't ang bigat-bigat niya? So, dito sa likod kita natin, meron siyang flood lamp, which is medyo kakaiba. The first time ko siya nakita on a smartphone. On the side, kita natin volume rocker plus some dedicated buttons. Sa ibabaw, kita natin yung kanyang projector. On the side, kita natin nandiyan ang kanyang SIM tray, which you don't need a ejector pin to take it out. And kita natin, this is a triple card slot. And 4G siya, hindi siya 5G. Andito ang kanyang power button. And sa ilalim, dahil this is a waterproof na phone, nakatakip ang kanyang charging port and of course, ang kanyang audio jack. And kita natin kanyang front-facing camera is a punch hole and medyo makapal ang kanyang bezels. Now, one thing that I like dito out of the box is very clean ang kanyang UI. Halos vanilla feel itong Android OS niya. Now, itong phone na ito is IP68 rating na meron siya MIL STD 810G na grade. So, meaning dustproof, shockproof, and waterproof. By the way, itong phone na ito, like sinabi ko kanina, ang bigat dahil this is more than half kilo. 530 grams ang bigat ito phone na ito. So, medyo mahirap tong i-carry sa loob ng iyong pocket. Pag nilagay mo sa loob ng iyong pants, I'm sure na malalaglang ang iyong pants at baka makita pa ang iyong Ito phone na ito has a 6.81-inch na display and 60 Hz ang kanyang screen refresh rate. Ang kanyang screen-to-body ratio is at around 71% dahil medyo makapal ang kanyang bezels. Now, itong phone na ito has a MediaTek Helio G99. So, alam naman natin G99 is more of a semi-gaming na chip. Okay naman to for everyday use, for multitasking. Wala naging problema for halos 3 weeks ko na siyang gamit na medyo halos di ko nilalagay sa akin bag. Nilalagay ko sa tabi ko lang, bit-bit ko lang siya. Kasi ang bigat I mean, pag nilagay mo, parang shoulder bag ko, parang gumagano. Bigat ka. But nevertheless, itong phone na ito is really tough. And one good thing dito sa kanya is that this one has 15,500 mAh of battery, which is almost unlimited. Even bigger than sa bit-bit kong power bank na 10,000 mAh. Itong phone na ito, guys, you won't believe this. It lasted for me 7 days without charging on normal usage, social media, taking some photos, and just watching some videos dito. Halos di ako masyado nag-game dito kasi ang bigat niya. Medyo nakakangawit sa kamay. But nevertheless, kaya naman na mag-game like mga Call of Duty Mobile and ML, PUBG, kaya naman niya tumakbo dito dahil this one has a G99 ng MediaTek. Another thing na gusto ko rin dito sa kanya is medyo malaki ang kanyang RAM. 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gig of storage ang kanyang memory. Definitely, it's quite large. Marami kang movies, marami kang videos malalagay dito, marami kang music na malalagay din dito, plus kung marami kang files, well, I think wala nang maging problema dahil halos malaki naman kanyang storage. And another surprising thing na meron dito is that yung kanyang camera sa likod is a 108MP. Now, sinamahan din siya ng 16MP na ultra-wide lens and sa kanyang harap is a 32MP na front-facing shooter. Honestly, taking a selfie is quite difficult dito sa phone na ito kasi ang bigat niya. For me, walang problema naman kasi I lift weights, but nevertheless, pag hawak mo ito na medyo matagal for vlogging, talagang mangangawit ka talaga ng gusto. I would suggest bringing a tripod kung gusto mong gamitin itong phone na ito for vlogging might be easier for you. So, sinubukan ko naman kanyang camera dito and trying some photos on some low light condition. I would say okay naman siya, but there are times na medyo nahirapan siya ng konti dahil medyo madilim nga talaga siya and kanyang camera sensor is a little bit hard to adjust to some of this lighting condition. Now, using this front-facing camera niya, taking on some low light shots is medyo hirap din siya. Like the front-facing camera, nothing really impressive pagdating sa kanyang camera. Now, check natin some videos dito na nakuha natin using the front-facing camera using 1080p. So guys, right now, I'm holding the 8849 Tank 2 and using this front-facing camera to take some quick videos using its camera, and I can see the resolution is not so bad, but not so good either. Probably the only thing that is hindering this one is it's quite heavy if you're using your bare hands to hold this heavy phone. And a kanyang rear camera with 2K na resolution. Now, ang kanyang video using the front-facing camera is a little bit shaky, but ang kanyang rear camera is a little bit better. Mas stable siya. Well, ang kanyang quality is just normal, nothing really special. Now, other than waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof tong phone nito, there are two other properties na gusto ko i-share sa inyo. One is kanyang projector, and the other one is ang kanyang flood lamp na nandito sa likod. So, makita mo lahat ng mga special tools na nandito, and one of them is yung kanyang flood lamp, or tawag na dito is the camping lamp. So there's two kinds of lamp dito. One is ang kanyang cold lamp. So kita natin na naka-turn on na ang kanyang medyo low pa lang to. Ito ang medium and ito ang high. Grabe, halos nakakabulag siya, no? So sobrang lakas nito, and one of the things na you would appreciate dito is I think this one is a perfect phone na bitbitin pang camping or for other outdoor activities lalo sa gabi. And sabi ko sa inyo guys, sobrang lakas ang ilaw niya. Ito, kita nyo. Walang-wala lang yung flashlight to. Mas malakas pa tong flood lamp niya. So pwede siya maging strobe light or pwede rin siya maging SOS lights. So there's another one dito na warning lights which I think pang wang-wang. O, di ba? Pwede mo ilagay sa windshield nyo and iwang-wang nyo like this one. Which is quite different lang. Kakaiba lang talaga siya itong function niya. Pwede mo palagyan ng background music pa. Mukhang totoo. Now, another one na gusto ko i-share sa inyo is ang kanyang projector. So, itong phone na ito, like I said, has yung projector dito sa kanya. Papakita ko sa inyo, i-flash lang natin dito sa screen. So, in order for us to use it, on lang natin projector dito. Yeah, ito-turn on niya ang projector. Itututok lang natin dyan sa screen. Papatayin ko lang ilaw para makita natin ang gusto. So, guys, nakita na natin naka-flash ng display ng aking screen dito sa wall natin. As long as medyo madilim, okay naman siya, no? So, ganito magiging itsura niya. Try lang natin manood ng shorts dito. And probably the only thing that might be hard is to find a proper na holder para dito. Maybe I would suggest na ihiga nyo lang ang iyong tripod just to be able to project it like this. Kung merong ball valve ang iyong tripod, kaya-kaya na may i-hold ng ganito ang iyong phone. So guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa Tank 2? 1 is mabigat siya, honestly. 2 is ang dami yung function na wala on your normal smartphone. Like 1, sinabi ko yung flood lamp niya, and 2, ang kanyang projector, and 3, of course, malaki ang kanyang battery. And dahil malaki ang battery niya, kaya pa niya mag-charge like a power bank sa iyong mga ibang smartphone like this one. As long as meron kang C2C cable, well, charging your other phone is not a problem. So if you're the type of person that's outgoing, outdoor loving, nature loving, mahilig sa outdoor hiking and other night activities sa labas, this is probably one of the phones na pwede mo invest dahil sa kanyang mga function, and of course yung kanyang ruggedness is definitely one of its own. And another thing na pwede gawin dito sa phone na ito, pag meron kayo kaaway, pwede mo rin ipang pukpok. So guys, if you want to know kung saan na pwede mabili itong phone na ito, I'll be linking on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit your bell icon para hindi naman miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.